Hello, Disney Card Toys here, and today I'm going to show you the Frozen Flip and Switch Castle. Anna's Flip and Switch Castle is a good combo with Elsa's Magical Lights Palace, which I filmed earlier. This Frozen playset is pretty basic. It comes with a magic clip, Princess Anna, beauty supplies. It also comes with the castle itself and this handy little couch which turns into a vanity. The couch in this set is really similar to the bed that flips into a vanity. That comes with the Castle and Ice Palace playset. The vanity is super adorable though, and a perfect place for Anna to get ready in the morning. Just like other Flip and Switch castles, there are two sides to play. Inside and outside on the balcony. This toy is a Magic Clip set, so let's have Anna try on some Magic Clip outfits. This one is Cinderella's ball gown. What do you think? Is blue Anna's color? Let's try a green Ariel dress on Anna and see if it looks better. There we go. Wow, I think green really is her color. What do you guys think? Green or blue? Well, honestly, beyond just staring out the window, there's not much else we can do in this castle. Unless we have a dance party! Woohoo, I have the Petal Float princesses here to dance the night away. Cinderella, aren't those our Magic Clip ball gowns over there? It is. What's up with that? I don't know. Let's ask Anna. Hey, Anna, how did our Magic Clip dresses get in your house? Oh, ladies, that's a really good question, but oh wow, look at the time. Looks like the party's over. Time to go, everybody. Party's over. See ya! Click here to watch another fun toy video, and don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.